Hello children, today we'll discuss electric power. What is electric power? Rate of doing work by an electric device is known as power. So, rate of doing work per unit time is known as power. Or you can say work done per unit time is known as electric power. How much work is done by an electrical device in a given unit of time, that is known as electric power. So mathematically, electric power represented by P is equals to work done upon time taken. As the definition says, work done per unit, that means work done divided by time is known as power. So power is equals to W upon T. That is work upon time. That is the first formula of power. Now we will deduce some other formulas from that given formula. How? We know potential difference, that is V, is equals to work done per unit charge. We had studied in our previous lectures, bache, that potential difference is equals to work done upon charge, work done per unit charge, in bringing that charge from one point to another point in the electric field. That is what the potential difference is all about. So from here we get the W is equals to V into Q. Put this value into this equation. So power will become, instead of W we put V into Q. W की value V into Q यहाँ put कर देंगे बच्चे. We get V into Q by T. The second formula of power. After that, we also know that I is equals to Q upon T, that is charge per unit time is known as electric current. Charge per unit time is known as electric current. Now Q by T is replaced by I. इस फॉर्मूले में Q by T को I से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. क्यों? Q by T is equals to electric current. So power will become V into I. Another formula of power. You must have to remember this formula in your class 10 बच्चे. इससे जरूर याद रखें that power is the product of potential difference and current. कैसे आया बच्चे फॉर्मूला? Power is equals to work done upon time. वर्क डन होता है बच्चे, इस फॉर्मूले से हमने निकाल लिया V into Q, potential difference multiply electric charge. So put the value of W into this. The power will become V into Q by T. Now we know that Q by T, the charge per unit time, is known as electric current. So replace this Q by T and the power will be equals to V into I. Also, according to Ohm's law, we got V is equals to IR. That is, potential difference is the product of current and resistance of the conductor. Now put the value of V into this formula. So power will become IR multiply I. देखो बच्चे, V की जगह हमने IR रख दिया, एक I पहले से ही था मल्टीप्लाई, तो पावर का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा IR multiply I. That is, power is equals to I square R. So another formula of power is I square R. Next one. Also, from Ohm's law, we know that I is equals to V by R. V is equals to I by R. Sorry, IR. So I will be equals to V by R. Put the value of I into this formula. Now the power will become, I की जगह आ जाएगा V by R, तो I का स्क्वायर तो V by R का भी स्क्वायर, और R पहले से मल्टीप्लाई में तो नीचे एज इट इज. I की जगह बच्चे V by R फिट कर दिया, फिल कर दिया, और V by R का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. क्यों? यहां पर I का स्क्वायर है. Multiply R as it is, so power will become V square by R square multiply R. This square is cancelled by this R, and the power will become equals to V square by R. So these are the formulas of electric power. What is electric power? Basically, the rate of doing work per unit time by an electrical device is known as its electrical power. Or you can say the work done per unit time by a device is known as its electric power. So these are the formulas of power. Now, if we closely look at these two formulas, according to this, power is directly proportional to R, and according to this formula, power is inversely proportional to R. If we look closely, in this formula the power is directly proportional to R, and in this formula the power is inversely proportional to R. Is it possible that one quantity is directly proportional as well as inversely proportional to another same quantity? No. ये बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं है बच्चे कि एक क्वांटिटी दूसरी के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल भी हो और वही क्वांटिटी उस सेम क्वांटिटी के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल भी हो जाए. Then how it is possible? This case is possible at constant current. If I is constant, then equals to a constant will be removed and a proportional sign will come. अगर बच्चे I constant हमने मान लिया, करंट constant है, तो constant और equals to हट जाएगा, तो पावर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल आ जाएगा किसके? R के. And constant current is in series combination. करंट कांस्टेंट कब होता है बच्चे? रेजिस्टेंस में, जब सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन हो. In series combination, the current across each resistance will remain same as that of total current. So, at constant current, that is, in series combination, the power is directly proportional to resistance. That means if larger resistance is there, it draws larger power from the circuit. And in here, P is inversely proportional at constant V, that is a constant potential difference. If V is constant, then V square and equals to will be removed and P is inversely proportional to R. And at constant V is in case of parallel combination. So these two are different cases, bache. In series combination, the power is directly proportional to R, and in parallel combination, power is inversely proportional to R. Now we will discuss the unit of power. The works unit is, SI unit is joule, and the times SI unit is second. So power will be equals to joule per second, and on the name of the scientist, that is James Watt, joule per second is referred as watt and represented by capital W. So the unit of power is watt. That is joule per second. Now, what is 1 watt? Or you can say, define the unit of power. Power of a device. Power of a device is said to be 1 watt if, well, it would be 1 if this would be 1 joule and this would be 1 second. If 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. Or you can say if 1 joule of energy is consumed by that device in 1 second. देखो बच्चे 1 watt क्या है? जूल और सेकंड है. जूल और सेकंड का डिवाइडेशन है. तो जूल per second is known as watt. If it is 1 and this one is also unity, that is 1, then automatically the watt will be equals to 1. So what is 1 watt? If 1 joule of work is done by a device in 1 second, then the power of that device is said to be 1 watt.